Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on effortlessly removing unwanted objects or blemishes from your photos using Snapseed, a powerful mobile photo editing app available for both iOS and Android devices. Whether it's a distracting element in your landscape shot or an unwanted object in a scene, Snapseed offers tools to seamlessly erase them without leaving a trace. Let's dive in. Launch the Snapseed app on your device. Select the photo from your gallery on which you want to erase the object. Tap on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen, then find and click on the Healing tool. With the Healing tool selected, simply brush over the object or element you want to remove from the photo. In this example, let's say there's a distracting picture on the wall. Make a selection around it, and Snapseed will erase it seamlessly. If you're left with blemishes or imperfections after removing the object, brush over them as well. Snapseed will intelligently blend them into the surrounding areas. Continue brushing until you don't have any blemishes or spots in your photo. And that's it! Your unwanted object is now removed and your photo looks cleaner and more polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more tutorials.